Part 10 HVDC systems, high voltage direct current systems. Generating station, power generate 13.2 kV. The transformer, the start and outgoing boosting transformer. This is the outgoing delta. Mainly we are HVDC systems due on advantage of HVDC, controlled power exchange, improve stability of AC systems, transmission at reduced voltage, minimize power reduction in case of pole outages, enhanced power transformer capacity, and asynchronous link. The main advantage of HVDC systems. This is 102 kV, 13.2 kV boosting station to power incoming. This is a 400 kV AC line. To connect converter station, these are SCR, these are switching systems, the grid of switching systems. The converter station, SCR silicon control rectifier, the HVDC converter station, 6 pulse converters. 6 pulse operation, each SCR firing intervals should be 60 degree, maximum conduction angle of 60 degree. These switching 1, switching 1, switching 2, switching 3, switching 4, switching 5, switching 6. This operation, this must be firing angle, maximum conduction angle of 60 degree. This is the output of DC line. This is the sending station, DC reactor in series of our transmission line, and DC surge capacitor due on DC line arrestor. This is our DC circuit breaker. The sending station to send the transmission line. This is the transmission line, two systems of the HVDC transmission by tower, 500 kV DC line, plus minus 10 to 15%. The transmission lines are the receiving station to connect the DC circuit breaker, and the receiving station, this is called inverter station. The switching, this is the S1 switching, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6. These are in systems of inverting station. Switching pair of each leg, S1, S4, S1, S4. These are connected. Reverse diode D1 and D4 3 S3 and S6, S3 and X6, D3, D6 and reverse, and switch S5 and S2, S5 and S2, D5 and D2 reverse. The DC line 400 kV and switching pair in each S1, S4, S3, S6 and S5 and 2 are turned on with a time of interval 180 degree. The switch S1 conducts for 180 degree and switch S4 for next 180 degree of cycle switches in upper group as S1, S3, S1 conduct, S1, S3 upper group and S5, S1, S3, S5, S1, S3, S5 conduct at an interval of 120 degree. If S1 is fired at 0 degree, then S3 must be triggered 180 degree. This is the S1 is fired 0 degree, then S3 must be triggered 120 degree and S5 240 degree. These are cycle changing of triggering systems. These are 400 kV, 500 kV DC line, and after inverting the AC line output. This is a inverting station. This is the receiving transmission system, receiving station, system as inverting systems. A DC line arrestor, and AC line arrestor. That's after inverting, there is the AC line output, and step down transformer to connect it 500 kV and step down 132 kV output L1, L2, L3. These are HV DC systems. This is the main advantage our systems calculate power exchange, improve stability of AC systems, transmission at reduced voltage, minimize power reduction in case of the pole outages, enhance power transfer of the capacity, and asynchronous link